with glee and support. We celebrate more than what's not in our products. It's the good we can eat that moves the industry forward. In this superfood cleanser, a gel that strips makeup but not skin. In this styling go-to, a sustainable formula that boosts hair health. In this foldable color, transparency about every ingredient. With nearly 100 best-in-class brands, it's a clean you can count on.
Good morning. Well, it's afternoon, but I am about to go ahead and do a little bit of organizing. I've done some this morning already, but I kind of took a little break. I'm about to put my burger from yesterday into the microwave because I'm hungry. And then, yeah, we're going to get started. Hopefully hanging some stuff up. I got some command strips. So I'm going to try to do that. So Bruh. I got it up there, but it dropped and it's cracked. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix this crack. But it's up there, you know. It's the start of a mini gallery wall slash seating area. I think I'm gonna swap it because I want to put that bench that goes to my dining table over here, and let's see how that looks. Okay, so it's a little too big for the space. My door still opens to a good enough width or whatever, but it's too big. But I think for now I'm gonna keep it there. I might move it to my room in front of my window, and then right here I'll put a shoe rack once I get one. So I think that is the plan.